Today we will solve a second node Android content provider challenge. So in the challenge, our objective is to get a content provider data. So I have downloaded the APK file. It's here. So I will install it. So in the application, we have to enter the pin. After entering the pin, it will show data. From this, we can already get that pin is of food. Okay, let's check application in JADX. First, we will check Android manifest file. In the Android manifest file, there are two content provider declared. Why we are checking directly content provider? As a challenge is about the content provider, that's why we are checking directly this content providers. So here is the first, which is of our interest, and it is enabled and exported also, and its authority is this. Let's check code of this content provider. We can see there are some byte arrays defined, and in onCreate method, they have access to assets folder and open this config.properties file. Let's check this config.properties file from assets folder. This file contains this encrypted data. That encrypted data is accessed by this code, and it is decoded and assigned to byte arrays defined earlier. So different properties which has defined in config.properties as access, code as access and decoded it with a basically for decode method. Okay. Another interesting point is in a query we can see it is a 4-digit that we already got from the application when we are running. And then these methods decrypt secret is used here, and secret generate generate key from pin is used here. Here it is using same pin which we will enter from the we will enter in the application. That is the same pin which will use and create a secret secret key. So by using this code, I have wrote to some Python code that will generate a pin for us. This is that code. These are the this is the data from config.properties. It will be code with the base 64 and it I used to get this pin which we required. So let's run this. It will check all the values from 000 to 9999. Uh, we found the pin and it is 2580. Now let's use ADB shell to trigger content provider, open content provider. Here we have to use authority, content provider authority name. Our pin is 2580. Okay. Here is a secret. We have got this secret from the content provider. Did you guess it? Same we can get from the application also. It is. Thank you.